Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Asana for HR onboarding workflows. Our first step is setting up a new project. From your Asana dashboard, click on the plus New Project button, then choose a template or start from scratch. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a dedicated space for onboarding new hires, keeping everything neat, organized, and easy to track. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tasks. Each task represents a single onboarding step, like complete tax forms or schedule orientation. Assign these tasks to your new hire and set due dates to give them a clear roadmap. This helps us because it sets expectations for the new hire, gives them autonomy, and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Next up, it's time to make use of Asana's custom fields. Add fields like onboarding status or department to track progress and categorize tasks. This is crucial because it allows you, the HR team, and the new hire to quickly see where they are in the onboarding process and what's coming next. Lastly, don't forget to use Asana's automation features. For instance, you can set it up so that when a task is marked as complete, the next one is automatically assigned to the new hire. This saves precious time and keeps the onboarding process moving smoothly. So there you have it. By setting up a project, creating tasks, utilizing custom fields, and automating processes, you've now created an efficient HR onboarding workflow in Asana. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.